Hey guys, it's Nick from F450 LEDs.com. Today we just couldn't resist bringing our 2023 Super Duty truck outside to show you a great and easy installation that's going to make you and your family safer at night. Plus, it's going to make your truck look a lot better too. What we're going to be doing today is swapping out the dim, dingy factory tail lamp bulb with our ultra bright red CREE LED bulbs. Again, it's going to make you and your family safer, and they're going to look fantastic. The installation's easy. We're going to show you how it's done right now. Sincerely, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate it, and we don't want you to miss out on any of the great content for your Ford truck. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, so to get started in replacing these two factory taillight bulbs, you're going to open your tailgate, and then there's two 8mm bulbs here that you can use a socket or a wrench to remove. And that's going to allow this taillight assembly to release from the truck. So you're going to just kind of angle it out a little bit and pull away, and it'll pop loose just like that. And then you're going to reach in behind this taillight assembly and give these bulb connectors a counterclockwise turn. That's going to loosen them up and allow us to bring the bulb out. Let's go ahead and disconnect the entire assembly. So you got your reverse bulb here in the middle, and then your tail lamp bulbs here at the top and bottom. Your running light and brake light bulbs, I should say. All right, so that allows us to fully remove this assembly. We're going to set that to the side. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and take our MK3 bulbs here. We're going to pull. Careful, these can be very hot if these have been on. Very inefficient, so they create a lot of heat. Ours have been off for a while, so we're going to kind of grab it here at the base, so you don't want to break the glass. Just pull it directly out. And then we're going to take our MK3 bulb here and make sure it seats all the way in, just like so. And then I'm going to do the same for our top bulb here. Just like so, okay. So now's a good opportunity to go ahead and test your vehicle. We've already properly aligned ours, but you can hit the unlock key with your key fob or go cut your headlights on. If the lights don't activate, they need to come out and flip 180 degrees and go back in. They are polar sensitive. All right, so now that we've got our bulbs replaced, the next thing, which is an optional step, is to install our custom resistors here. All right, so what these do, eliminate any chance of hyper blinking. So these bulbs are so much more efficient that they draw less wattage, less energy. And so sometimes the truck thinks, uh-oh, a bulb is out, when really it's just more efficient. And these resistors help tell the truck essentially, hey, it's okay. You don't have to fast blink the bulb or give any kind of warning indicator. So we're going to take a small drill bit here, size anything under 1/8 inch is going to be fine, and then just drill 2 holes here in the back, like so. It drills out very easy, so you don't have to worry about that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this included self-tapping screw and a Phillips head screwdriver, our bit, and then we're just going to mount these resistors right where we put our holes. Just like so. Okay, and then I'll repeat the same for the next resistor. Each of these resistors has 2 holes here, you can see at the top and bottom for mounting. Typically 1 is sufficient, but we'll go ahead and put both in. Oops. There you go. When you only have 1 in, go ahead and align them. You don't want them to touch each other. And you certainly don't want these resistors touching any wires or any plastic or anything like that, because they will get hot. And that's why we're mounting them directly to the metal frame. Loosen this guy up a little bit. There you go. Still in there tight. There we go. Once you've got them positioned how you like them, you can go ahead and drill those 2 extra holes. And then we'll add our extra screws. Now it drills extremely easy, so don't let that be something that you're worried about. You just want to make sure that you're drilling on this side and not drilling into the bed of the truck or something like that. Okay, let's put these final 2 screws in. Okay, so now what's left to do is we're going to use our super easy T-tap connectors here. So we're going to attach on this single side, the resistor wire goes in the top like so, and then we're just going to use our pliers, push right down on it, and you'll hear it click. Yep, into place. Let's just go ahead and add these T-taps to each resistor. This makes it extremely easy to attach wires to the existing harness wires on your truck. Just like so. 2 more. And last one. Where are we at? Here we are. Just make sure it's open when you put it in the channel. Okay, all right. So now that we've got those, the last thing that we need to do before putting our bulbs back into the assembly here is we're gonna connect these resistors, 1 resistor per bulb, to the outer wires here, the outer wires, so that the truck, when it turns on the signal bulb, doesn't think that something is wrong. It doesn't issue a warning or create hyper blinking on the bulb. So you just squeeze down on that end just like that. I'll show you on the side. Make sure again that you don't mix up your resistors. So 1 resistor goes to the 2 outside wires per bulb here. So you'll just open this channel, line it up with your wire here, come over the top, grab your clamps, boom, you'll hear it click, and that's it. So let's go ahead and do this last bulb. Again, the 2 outer wires here. Make sure it's coming in straight all the way across. And it clicks down. That's it. One last one. Okay. So boom, we've got all the resistors. That's all there is to connecting those resistors. So it might look like a lot of going on, but once you've got it in your hands and you're doing it, it's very simple and easy to do. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our tail lamp assembly here, and let's get our bulbs back into place. Okay, I'm gonna start with this bottom bulb actually. Now, one thing you're gonna notice, this MK3 style, if you're using MK3s and not 2s, it's got a thicker base. So it's going to require just a little bit of force as you kind of push it through this opening here, just like that. Then you line up your tabs and clockwise turn locks it in place. Let's grab our reverse bulb here, our Mark II. Let's line it up. And then we'll do the same with our top light. And then we'll be able to reinstall the assembly and repeat this process for the passenger side. All right, so line up these push pin tabs. Make sure your wiring is kind of tucked up in there, the opening. And then push in place. And then we'll take our 2 8mm bolts here, re-secure it to the truck. That's it. So that's all there is to installing our CREE LED taillight bulbs here on your 2023 and up Ford Super Duty truck. We don't have them on right now in the bright sunlight, but at night you're gonna definitely tell a difference. They're gonna be extremely bright, they're gonna look fantastic, and they're gonna make you and your family safer. So we definitely recommend the upgrade. You can check them out today at F450LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford Super Duty truck. We truly appreciate your support. We look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.